Hello and welcome to today's Partner Spotlight. In today's show, we have Jess Materna, who is the Director of Product Marketing at one of AFDigital's favorite ISV partners, Litmus. Hello, Jess. Welcome to AFDigital Partner Spotlight.
Thank you. I'm happy and super grateful to be chatting with you today. As you mentioned, I'm Jess Materna. I am the Director of Product Marketing here at Litmus. Been at Litmus for just over 3 years, and one of the things I love most about my role is that I get to help launch innovative new features and functionality to the Litmus solution, including our integrations with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So I'm psyched to chat through that all with you today.
That's great. And welcome to everyone that's come on board. And today we're going to be really getting to understand how Litmus works. So I'm really excited to learn more about Litmus and help customers with their email marketing. Okay, let's get into the questions. Are you ready, Jess?
I am ready. Let's jump right in.
Great. The first question I have for you is, what is your elevator pitch?
I love this. Love a good elevator pitch. Um, our elevator pitch here at Litmus is that Litmus is the leading email optimization and personalization solution. We help marketers streamline their entire email workflow, from building and testing emails to reviewing and approving them, and even post-send analysis, so that they can ensure that they get the absolute best ROI from their most reliable and cost-efficient marketing channel, which is email.
Great, great. Well, I mean, I really like especially getting ROI. So what are some of the benefits that customers can expect after, or be able to see after 12 months?
Yeah, that is a really great question. Most of our customers actually see benefits much quicker than 12 months. And the types of benefits they see largely depend on their current email workflow and what complexities they're experiencing and what problems or challenges they're trying to solve. Many customers have let us know that they're able to save time. They reduce the time it takes to build and test and send an email, thanks to our thorough automated pre-send testing and our integrations like the ones we have with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, plus our centralized review and approval tool, which is called Litmus Proof. Another common benefit we've heard is that Litmus helps to provide much deeper subscriber engagement insights, than those just available from an ESP alone. We also recently commissioned this study conducted by Forrester Consulting to help us create a true cost benefit analysis of the Litmus solution. And that study found that over the course of 3 years, of course, accounting for the value of time, money over time, an organization could see a 301% ROI, return on investment, and a payback period, so their initial investment back, of less than 3 months for their investment in Litmus. And just as a note, the full study is available on our website.
Wow.
Also, back in Yeah, it was pretty impressive. We were super pleased about that. And then back in November of last year, 2021, super exciting thing happened. We acquired this great tech company called Kick Dynamic, and they are a powerful dynamic content automation provider. And they brought their core products of dynamic content automation and AI-driven product recommendations to the Litmus portfolio of solutions. And then back just a couple months ago in February, we launched Litmus Personalize, powered by Kick Dynamic. And customers that have used Kick Dynamic to personalize their emails have reported significant increases in click-throughs and conversions and average order values, and thereby overall revenue. And some of the types of personalization that Litmus Personalize can help create include live email content like countdown timers and weather-based content, dynamic content automation, like showing your bestsellers or promoting some loyalty offers. And then, of course, AI-driven predictive recommendations, so you can show customers what they need or want before they might even recognize that they need it.
Great, great. Well, what I heard there was 301 ROI or percent in ROI. That's really huge. It's great. I mean, AF Digital uses Litmus itself, so I can really confirm about the time saving that you mentioned. We've been able to really save our time when we're working with our customers to be able to get the email built, tested, and get to the customer. So really, really good, and really positive from our team as well. So in saying that, who are some of the few APAC customers that you work with?
Yeah. Well, first off, great to hear that you save time. You know, everyone says time is money, so love to hear that you're saving time. We work with customers across the globe, including a number in APAC. A few of them include the Rakuten Group, Cathay Pacific Airways, and the Tokyo Institute of Technology.
Great, great. Some really good clients there. Cathay Pacific, really, really known brand here in Australia. Well, if you could describe your dream customer, what would that be?
Yeah, I love this question too. So, our dream customer is one that really understands and embraces the power and the true potential of email. Email is such a versatile, powerful, and cost-effective channel when it comes to communication and marketing. And one study actually found that more than 50% of consumers say they want brands to contact them via email. That's what they actually prefer. So when brands really truly understand, again, the potential of email and use Litmus to optimize their email workflow, efficiency, and effectiveness, they really get the best benefits and can really maximize the ROI that they see.
Yeah, great. I mean, I'm all for email. Email is the best communication tool, and I know there's always been debate about email is it, but not in my eyes. And yeah, I tend to definitely agree with you. I guess if you be able to share a customer success story that has been using Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Yeah, absolutely. We have several customer success stories from businesses, sorry, that utilize Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud to maximize their email performance. But our most recent story is a really cool one. It came from Atlantis, Dubai. They're a renowned luxury destination. And Atlantis, Dubai has a really comprehensive email program, which includes campaigns, tactical and automated journey emails, just a really complex and high volume program. And as their campaign volume grew, they knew they needed to find as many efficiencies as they could to really scale email creation, but without losing quality, because quality is what matters when it comes to creating awesome customer experiences. And that's what Atlantis Dubai is all about. So they selected Salesforce Marketing Cloud as their preferred marketing automation platform, and they moved their complete email, bills, testing, deployment steps in-house from an agency, so that they could, again, have more control over the quality of emails, improve their speed to market. And before that shift in-house, they had been using a Litmus Plus plan, but they decided to upgrade to an enterprise plan for a number of reasons. One big factor were the integrations that we have with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which we'll talk a little bit about in a second. Also, they needed something intuitive and fast and something that was going to, again, give them that speed without any loss in quality. They appreciated that Litmus offers testing across a huge variety of email clients and devices, because any combination of those can really affect how an email shows up and the experience it provides. Plus, they knew they needed the best possible analytics and subscriber engagement metrics. So not only did Litmus help them make that successful transition of bringing email in-house, they also ended up saving an average of 5 hours cumulatively on every email. And they're able to turn around email requests 60% faster, 60, which is huge. Stakeholders who need to review and approve emails, they really love how seamless and collaborative the Litmus proof solution makes that for them. And then I think this is the most important benefit. The team said that they gain complete confidence that every email is optimized, every email's, error free, ready to go, ready to result in the best customer experience every time they hit send.
Yeah, 5 hours is a lot of time saving, and it's great. I mean, definitely, removing that whole who's got this account, how can I check this on your phone, how can I check this, can we log in, can you send me a screenshot? That takes a lot of time, and then trying to fix it and resend it. So yeah, I definitely agree with that time saving. 5 hours is great, and really the integration with Salesforce Marketing Cloud means the seamless way of working. So yeah, really see the benefits there. I guess what's on deck with product innovations for Litmus?
Yeah, absolutely. Um, so we have a lot of exciting things in the works in terms of Litmus innovations. We just launched a new integrations marketplace within the Litmus application itself, and that just makes it super easy for anybody who has any Litmus plan today, to go in and browse integrations that are available to them. based on their MarTech stack and their workflow. And although I can't share too many more concrete details at this point, we are working on some brand new ways to make email personalization easier than ever. So definitely stay tuned.
Great. Wow, sounds very exciting. Can't wait to hear more about that. I guess, can you tell us a little bit more about the integration with between Litmus and Salesforce Marketing Cloud? I'm sure most of our customers would love to hear that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, as I mentioned before, Litmus actually has several integrations with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is awesome because we know that there's not one right email workflow for everybody. Everyone has a different preferred workflow. Some folks build in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, some prefer to build in Litmus, and we have integrations that are going to help them save time across the board. So, first up here, we have Litmus extension. It is an extension within the Google Chrome browser. And what it does is it makes testing emails, including those with dynamic content, super easy if you're building within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what users can do is they can select blocks of dynamic content within the Salesforce Marketing Cloud content editor and run extension in a single click to run email previews over 100 plus different clients or whatever email clients and devices they select. They can check links, tracking, image blocking, loading speed. They can easily choose another dynamic content block and run that in a single click all again. And if you have a lot of different dynamic content blocks, again, it makes it really easy to test all those different versions.
Wow,
The
yeah.
next integrate yeah, it's really cool. It's such a powerful little addition to Chrome, but it just makes it easy to work where you are. You don't have to leave Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Great.
Yeah, and the next integration here is we offer these previews at the where you can test emails at the actual subscriber level. So the email preview integration that is actually embedded within Salesforce Marketing Cloud here lets you toggle between individual subscribers in that preview and test mode and see how personalization will render at the subscriber level. And again, we support testing here across 100 plus, I think it's 131 popular email clients and devices. So you can really rest assured that you're covered when it comes to testing.
Yep, that's the one we
And
use.
that's the one you use. Awesome. Awesome. We recommend using a combination.
Yeah.
And for those folks who do choose to build in Litmus, Litmus does have a really great email editor as well. So we offer what's called ESP Sync, and this is a function that keeps the email up to date in Salesforce Marketing Cloud automatically. You can choose what folder it lives in and everything. But every time you save in Litmus, it's going to automatically update that email in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So you don't have to worry about copying and pasting code or wondering if all stakeholders have access to the most up-to-date version because ESP Sync is going to take care of that for you.
Great.
Yeah. And last but certainly not least, we offer this report called the Integrated Insights Report. And there's actually a digest to go with it as well. So an email digest you can set to go to different stakeholders. And this is where we actually combine email performance data from Salesforce Marketing Cloud with subscriber engagement insights from Litmus in a single view. Subscriber engagement insights could include read time, or email client usage. And so we combine everything in a single view so that you can really optimize your design, your development, and improve future campaign results as well. And we recently added these email performance indicators to see at a glance, which emails are top performers, which might need some attention. And for those that might need some attention, we actually provide contextual advice. So we tell you some troubleshooting steps you can take to possibly see if there's any improvements you could make in future sends. And we know that, a big topic today with email marketers is data protection measures like Apple Mail privacy protection. And analyzing emails is harder than ever. And so that's why in Litmus Email Analytics, we automatically filter out and remove the opens that are impacted by mail privacy measures. And so that we're displaying reliable opens and engagement data. And that way you can continue to make data-driven decisions with confidence, again, without the impact of the mail privacy protection.
Great, great. Well, I think Litmus has really thought about that whole customer experience and way how you can really use Litmus with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So there's a lot of really great options there. And really the insights and reporting that with Apple privacy, you're right, that's really a big topic at the moment with regards to reliable open. So it's really great that you can provide those kind of insights to customers to be able to then really know who's generally opened their emails. How much does Litmus cost?
Yes, absolutely. So we have several different plans at Litmus, from a basic plan starting at $79 per month to an enterprise plan, which includes all of our integrations, like the ones we just went over for Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and really a complete suite of email optimization tools to boot. So our enterprise plan pricing is determined custom based on your needs as a company, as an email team. So yeah, lots of options.
Great, great. And I'm sure everyone's really interested in getting Litmus. So if anyone's really interested, I mean, I'm happy for everyone to contact myself. There should be my details coming up and we can discuss how we can get you best set up with Litmus. Yeah, so it's a really great tool.
Yeah, absolutely. And we encourage folks considering Litmus to learn more about the solution. Obviously, I covered such a small little glimpse of it today, but visit litmus.com to learn, and then, like Paul said, reach out to him to get conversation started.
Yeah, great. Well, I mean, I think everyone's heard great information about Litmus and how they can utilize the product and platform. One last question I have for you, Jess, is tell us your best technology joke.
Okay, so I don't know if this is the best technology joke, but it's probably the cheesiest one you've heard. Um, why was the mobile phone wearing glasses?
I wouldn't know why.
It's because it lost its contacts. I know. I told you it was cheesy, so I warned you.
Let's use that as a bad joke. But thank you so much, Jess, for your time. And I hope that everyone that's joined us today has gotten some really great information about using Litmus. It is a great tool. It does offer you some really great time savings with regards to having your email render correctly across all of the different platforms that you might use. And there's some really great insights. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thank you, Jess, again. Really appreciate you being with us. And this is our AF Digital Partner Spotlight. Thank you, everyone.